Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to autofill numbers in Excel in a very simple way in a second. In order to do that, we have to press and hold the key Alt from our keyboard, and in a row we are typing HFIS, and here it's opening the series table, and from here I'm gonna fill the numbers in a column style. I'm selecting this, and I want to fill numbers from 1 to 100. Stop value, I'm gonna set it to 100 and pressing OK. And as you can see now, the numbers are going consecutively from 1 to 100. Let's do another sample. Clicking the button Alt, still hold, HFIS. The series table is opening. I want to column style, and from this I'm gonna do the value from 1 to 1000. Pressing OK. And now, as you can see, we have the value from 1 to 1000. By scrolling all the way down, you're gonna see it. Scrolling all the way down. Yeah. So the video was like this. It was very simple. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.